some people eat pizza and they don't wash their hands? Like, they say that that's not bread. Like, I don't understand. Like, I was told that you have to wash, and I read that you have to wash. Can you explain that if it's okay? I don't know.
Yes, that's okay. That's perfect. It's I think it's very important. One of the important questions that I think we discussed recently, but I'm going to repeat for people who did not hear, because it's very fundamental question. So the question is, pizza is bread or not bread? So and why would somebody, as you said, like would in their right mind to say that it's not bread? On another hand, I give you a different example. So we have to compare example. If you ever flew like in international, right, like somewhere like more than 6-hour flight, I think, they would give you food, right? And of course, you when you buy the ticket, or after you bought the ticket, you can specify the special requirements, the dietary requirements. So you want a kosher food. Okay, they bring you tray, like all packaged, ever warm, so they warm together with a tray, like a double seal, all kosher. And in this kosher food, right, in this kosher tray, it's going to be like a roll, dinner roll, right? Well, that's it's usually they serve like at night, and it says mizoines. So of course I knew it cannot be mizoines. It cannot be mizoines, right? And so what we did, like few times, like we took results, we did not eat. It's 100% bread. And when we went to a hotel, it was I think we flew to Israel, right? And in the hotel I said, let's try this bread. We washed their hands. It's 100% bread. So why did they say mizones? Because people are too lazy. They're not, or lazy. It's not convenient to go and wash their hands. So maybe they put a few drops of this apple juice or whatever, and they say it is not, now it's mizones. You understand? So I'm going to tell the story about it. One second. So let me finish. So same with pizza. We said, I think, what is it? Yes. I apologize. I'm confused in what class we said. So it says it's in the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, right? On Tuesday we said, what is the there are 3 definitions of mizones. What is the definition? One of I'm going to skip whatever not relevant. The one of definition Shulchan Aruch says when you mix it with a lot of fruit juice. What is it? A lot? It's majority fruit juice. Meaning when you eat this pizza, you must taste apple juice or orange juice or some juice, right? Or it must be like in eggs, like mixed with eggs. So of course pizza is not made this way. So and you see people who go there. So just watch who people go there. So Haredi people usually do not go there. I mean, unless they're on the border to go to the different side, because it's a simple scam. So, but people who go there, so how they rationalize, it's not a meal. So they say one slice, okay, so they found the leniency, they made up leniency. So it's not a meal. So what does it mean? I'm going to eat only one slice. It's not a snack. So it's not actual bread, it's a snack. Is it true? It's not true. So after this snack, so for example, I am hungry, right? But the dinner is like an hour away. So I'm going to use banana, or I'm going to use eat apple or cookies. So this cookies are snack, 100%. I'm going to eat my dinner. It's just not to feel hungry for now. You understand? So that's snack. But who ate dinner after pizza? Nobody. You understand? So only people who, like, I don't want to blame. Okay, because they're confused. People want to be confused, and they follow rabbis who confuse them even more. You understand? If it is the blame of the rabbi, I don't think so. I mean, he's a clown, and they want to go to the circus, and they meet somewhere in the middle. You understand? And they go and they say that the pizza is mizonos. 100% hamotzi. 100% hamotzi. 100. You understand? And we wash even on half a slice, and even if you have a bread, right? You have a challah board, right? You have you cut your challah on Shabbos, right? And you have few crumbs. And now, of course, you don't want to throw these crumbs, and you want to eat crumbs left over. What do you have to do? You have to go wash your hands, right? Of course, you don't say blessing, of course not, and you say hamotzi on these crumbs, on crumbs. So that you don't say on a pizza who satisfy you? Okay. So, did we answer the question?
Yes,
okay.
Yes, Rabbi, thank you.
Yeah, and I have a story. Okay, Alex, please, go ahead, sorry.
Rabbi, sorry, one more question about, let's say if I eat a lot of cookies and I say mezonot on the cookies.
No, you have to, Alex, you have to join us, please, for a Tuesday class. That's what exactly was our topic on Tuesday. Baruch HaShem. So, but I'm going to answer your question. On Tuesday, that's what we said. So if you're going to eat foods that are from a bread family. So what is a bread family? All of the cakes from bread family. So something that was baked, right? All of the cookies from the bread family. All of the crackers from the bread family. All of the pies, like cherry pies, apple pies, it's all from the bread family. And it says that if you're going to eat amount, I give a few opinions. So amount in a weight. So we said it's 4 eggs. 4 eggs in biblical terms. So 4 eggs, it's for us approximately 8 ounces. So if you're going to eat 8 ounces, right? So of this cake, and it's not a lot, right? I'm not sure how. It depends how heavy is the cake. So of course it's 100% meal. Bread meal. So if you know that that's all you're going to eat, you go wash your hands, say Hamotzi, and eat this bread and do Birchas Hamazon. Or there is another opinion. It say whatever people in that country. Could you put yourself on mute while you're not talking, please? Whoever is okay. Thank you. Please put yourself on mute. So and that people in that country in that age category eat. For example, if a person is 80 years old, he's not going to eat as much as a 40 years old guy, right? Or 15 years old. So in that country, in that age category. So if they would eat such a amount of bread for a meal, so whatever he eats, so even less than 8 ounces, it's going to be a 100% meal, and he has to say Birchas Hamazon, right? Or the third opinion was even stricter. Moshe Feinstein said people don't usually eat these 8 ounces. What they use, how much bread they eat, maybe a slice or 2 slices during the meal, and they and plus all of the accompanying food like salad, soup, chicken, fish, whatever other things. You understand? So he said it could be even less. So mizonos food, 100%. You say Birchas Hamazon. You have to be careful. Eat it with bread, or don't eat it mizonos during the meal, like after meal, or eat it less than 2 ounces, let's say. Few crackers. You eat soup with few crackers, no problem. Okay, go ahead, please. Go ahead, Alex.
Oh, sorry. No, thank you, Rabbi. Thank you for
okay.
answering.
So about this pizza, I just remember this story. So it was back in Ukraine. It was poor Yosela, right? Poor Jew, and he could not, very, very poor, could not make ends meet, right? And Christian was trying, always trying to convert him, right? He give him money, this and that. So he was just pushing back, but all Jews were poor and could not help him, right? So one time he said, that's it, it's enough. He came to the Pope and said, look, you asked me, like priest, right? So the priest and said, oh, you want me to convert? You know what? I'm ready to convert. Just give me money, whatever you promise. I'm ready to convert. And this Pope said, look, Yosele, I work on you for that 10 years, and you are so strong in your beliefs, and you send me to this mother, that mother, and now you wanted to convert. Something is fishy here. I know you Jews. I know you. I know you. You want to just take money from our holy Christians and you want to run away. I know you Jews, right? And he said, look, I am willing to give you money, but I'm going to test you. So if I come on Friday night, and I see you drinking wine, and I see the fish on your table, this gefilte fish that you Jews eat, that's it. I'm going to kill you, Yosele. It's not a serious business. Okay. Yosele said, okay. Please, whatever you say, just give me money. And my family is struggling. Give me money. So okay. So Yosele took the money, spent the money, paid the debts. Everything is good. And Friday night comes, and a priest comes to the window and see this Yosele with a cup of wine, with a fish on the table. Like he stormed into, like he's going crazy. What he said? You normal? You know, I told you not to eat fish. You promised. He said, fish? What fish? Wine? What wine? It's not wine. It's a water. Right? It's not fish. It's a chicken. And this Christian get like even more crazy. What do you mean? What do you mean? What chicken? It's a fish. I see the whole fish. He said, no, you don't understand. I took the holy water. You remember you gave me the holy water in the church? So I sprinkle on this fish and say, you're not fish, you chicken. I sprinkle on this wine, sprinkle on the and said, you're not wine, you water. You understand? So they do this focus. They think that they sprinkle a little and they change the things. Same with Mizoyans. It's Hamotzi 100%. Okay.